In this video, we will learn how to set shortcut key for extension in Google Chrome. So let's start this in my Google Chrome. Just click on this three dot to menu list. So here the extension option and click on the manage extension. In a manage extension, you can see here the all extension, and here I am going to set the shortcut key, keyboard shortcut key for extension. So here total 3 extension available in this Google Chrome. I already added these 3. So I am going to use here the set here the shortcut key for this extension. Just click on the keyboard shortcuts tab, and here you can see you can set here the shortcut key for Google Keep, Just Read and Writer. These are the extension. Okay, so you can see in my extension the same extension is available. So just click on this pencil icon to set here the extension, set here the shortcut key for extension. Okay, so enter the shortcut key those you want to set for this extension for Google Keep. So I enter here the shortcut key Control plus Z. You can see here the Control plus Z is set, same as for second extension. Just click on this pencil icon and press the shortcut key those you want to set for this extension. So I press here the shortcut key Alt plus F. Okay, same for the third extension. Click on this pencil icon and press the shortcut key those you want to set for this extension. So I press here the Control plus R. Okay, Control plus E. Okay, so this is a way you can set the shortcut key. Now you can use here the shortcut key. I just click on here for new tab. The first shortcut is a Control plus Z. So I press here the Control plus Z, and you can see here the Google Keep extension you can open here. Okay, same for you can use the other shortcut key to open this extension easily. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.